We interrupt your regular programming to bring you an important message. This is not a test. Please stand by.
The Center for Disease Control, in cooperation with the Federal Office of Emergency Management, has issued a civil danger warning, effective until further notice, for the following areas in Middle Tennessee: Clay County, Coffee County, Cumberland County, Davidson County, Dixon County, Humphreys County, Jackson County, Lawrence County, Macon County, Montgomery County, Smith County, Stewart County, Sumner County, Trousdale County, Wilson County, and Williamson County. In southern Kentucky, Allen County, Barron County, Butler County, Christian County, Clinton County, Cumberland County, Logan County, Metcalfe County, Monroe County, Muhlenberg County, Simpson County, Todd County, Warren County, and Wayne County. As of 4:43 p.m. there have been 57 known cases of Ebola present in the United States. Of these cases, 24 have been fatal. Currently, the cause of these cases is under investigation by the CDC. These cases have all been found within Tennessee and Alabama. At this time, the Federal Office of Emergency Management asks that citizens living in or visiting the states of Tennessee and Alabama to stay within those states until the investigation as to the cause of this deadly Ebola outbreak can be completed. Remain calm and follow proper hand washing and hygiene techniques. Please keep your Know All Hazards radio or local broadcast television or radio tuned in for future important information and warnings for your area. Please keep all phone lines clear for emergency use. This includes cell phones. This station will resume its normal broadcasting